Me not say me not chat too much any things them, but at least. But me listen, who see me now nobody na argument. Me a uncle over here talk for a man, me a uncle over here talk for 100 people over here. King a call on code for me like I say me do something wrong, like I say me a cuss nobody, like I say me a cuss. Me say Bill bro, cause me and nobody in an argument here call on code for me. Bro, yo, me can't manage them there, bro, yo.
No, you must have, no, you must tell us say, you have a course. Like, I must say, true, you can root at your course.
After yesterday and he talked to me for yesterday, why am I come back today again? He make it like I say me as keeper and I do something wrong.
Mama show you a pre. Tikki, you have a fucking ankle monitor, Tikki. You know, say the simplest thing a fucking police see you. They want to scrape you up and take you, go do background check for you if you don't mind chop, end up in an immigration. You not even know the simplest thing them see you with the ankle monitor that they create you.
Derrick later, yeah, man.
Here, so be careful and be very vigilant. Because nobody not tell you no fuckery. The ankle monitor there, we make as a police same one take you up and carry you. Here, go check you out. I'm not telling no fuckery. I best more see for you. I the tell you. The simplest ice our police come and I do them raid. And the moment them buck on the ankle monitor there, at the same time them want creep you up. And I don't know fuck you, I hope you there so a year.
You come off.
No, you have to tell him on the internet which part he might commit himself. The simplest thing them buck you with the ankle monitor they want to creep you up. Not saying you're a criminal, you know, but they might say the ankle monitor they signify something. And you cannot justify anything to them. Because guess what? You're an immigrant and they don't want an immigrant in the country.
Yeah.
If a police tap you and question you, what you going to tell him? Tikki could never know if he explain himself.
Say man, some panic food.
Tell him, say, be careful of the type of people them when surround himself with and the company where him have himself round. Because if police come for a certain type of people and book Tikki with the ankle monitor, they make a Tikki with them. I mean, not telling a lie or telling a story. I look out for the best for him. Come on, see him come here, him struggle for come here, and it would be so rough and so hard to see him struggle for coming to this country, and a simple look of blood clotting make him get locked up. For true people, I'm not telling a lie. The simplest police come and book the monitor upon Tikki foot. Them want to take him up and go question him or go check him out. I just say that's not how it goes. You not understand how the place are run. You not understand how the place are run. You're not understanding how the place are run. You know how much innocent people they creep up since Donald Trump win? You know how much innocent people, not saying them are going to get arrested at all times, you know. But for save yourself, why would you want to go to jail? You understand what I said, Derrick?
Yeah.
Why would you want to go to jail? Not saying him do anything, you know. But say, for example, Derrick, you are the wrongs and me there around you. And the police come for you and me there near you. Them are going to say, you influence me and me have a criminal or whatever. Worse than go look down on my foot and but the ankle monitor. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
You have to tell him, somebody have to tell him, and everybody are going there so for 8 per year. Sometimes people are going to give constructive reasoning. You understand? All citizens, of course, all citizens, they might take up. I tell Tikki no fuck, you give me the ear, Tikki mother come over so I can tell you the truth. But I sit down on the sideline.
Give me some meantime. King attack will send some gift.
And go them Tikki and do them thing there. I make them scrape him up. At the best, man. Make up and send money come give me now at best. I want to see him. I want to hold up him head and make it in struggle for come here. Yeah, that may I tell you. But them not ready for certain conversation. That's why I not go certain places and mix up. I not go no way and mix with certain people. May I tell you, even the man in New Jersey, the man is a US Army veteran. And they still take him up when they come for who them come for. May I tell you people, nobody not save. You have to just tear on the straight and narrow. But guess what, Derrick? I don't have time for this. I go back and get some more sleep later.
Alright. Guys, top of the screen, guys. Top of the screen. King is there here. I talk about Tikki. So I'm going to send some gift now. Send some gift. Send some gift. Anything you have to send, come get. Please and thanks. Please and thanks. When they are Jamaica, I suffer battle like a dog on the road. Yeah. They on the road, I battle like a dog. And Tikki, they are far now. Yeah. So I beg on some gift right now. I beg 2 donuts. Come on, guys. I beg 2 donuts. 200, it go up to 300, 260. When I beg something. Come on for this one. Come on for this. I beg on something, guy. I beg on something. I beg something, guy. I beg something. I beg on something, guy. Please and thanks. Come suck out me hole. Come suck out me blood clot whole body work. Come eat out me externals. Come eat out me externals. You may tell you come eat out me externals. You may tell you come eat out me externals body work. Come eat out me externals. Come eat out me externals right now. Right now. Make a sit on your blood clot mouth with me pussy. What me thinking all. And make me shit in your blood clot mouth. I gotta talk about look. Me see me can bumble clot where come suck out me hole. Everybody got old one day. Everybody got old one day. You can't stay there. You know what young people die, you know what young people die. I'm in a old come in and walk a shit. I say I want shit in your blood clot old dirty girl. Stinking pussy rotten old girl. I want shit in your blood clot old dog shit. You hear me I tell you? Dirty girl. I got to talk about old man, old like your pussy old, your big thinking pussy old. I want you to come dash some shit on your blood clot. I want you to dash some shit on your pussy. You hear me I tell you? Dirty girl, I got to talk about blood clot old like your blood clot pussy. Your pussy not old. But show that your pussy old. I show that your pussy is old. Hold on me. The ass clot, and that me a bumper clot. Tell you, I want hole and dash some shit in your hole. I want dash some shit in your pussy. You too blood clot bright and stink na bumper clot. You know anything about me drunk, yo? Dead old girl. You know anything about me thinking front? You too blood clot out of order, cause you don't know me. You know me from drunk, yo? Drunk dog shit. When I hear the people say, talk about says, shit in a plate, I don't want to shit in a plate, I want shit in a bowl. I want to shit in a bowl. Because when I shit in the plate, it take a dash, but when I shit in the bowl, it's still in the bowl full of blood clot. You may tell you, no, I don't want to beard. Come beard me with your tongue. Come beard me with your blood clot tongue. Come lick out my hole. Come lick out my hole. Come lick out my pussy. Come lick out my pussy. Get my back me pussy. And come juice up my hole. Come juice up my blood clot hole. Yeah. That me I tell you. Yeah, me I tell you. Yeah. And that is not always good for. But take it from people on a dog shit self. So, yeah. Any dirty girl come in an argument with me like a class, you know come suck up my hole. Come suck out my hole. You know come like a waste paper and a blood clot. You come like some tile paper and a pussy. You know top up on yourself with some tile paper and a pussy and leave me alone. You know leave me alone, no blood clot. You know take set for me so far. You know bomb clot not take set for me so far. Me own anything a bomb clot? Me own anything? I'm sure I'm not own a blood clot. Wanna come take a shit and come shit up my hole. Come take a straw, come judge all shit them out of my pussy. Which old man that? Nobody about the old man. I'm telling you what to do now. Come take you see where the people you see Shalam say shit na plate. No, me no want shit na blood clot. Me want shit na bowl. shit in a bowl. I don't want shit in a because when I shit in the glass place, it got dash. So I have to shit in the toilet, in the bowl. But that's for no blood clot. You hear me say, look, but can't shit in a plate, I have to shit in the bowl, no blood clot, shit in the bowl. Tell Shalam if it's change to shit in a plate, to shit in a bowl. I shit in a bowl if you say, no shit in a plate, shit in a bowl. Because when you shit in the plate, no, when you shit in the bowl, we can't dash for the girl and post it on TikTok. Yeah. So nobody got talk about shit in a plate with. I know tapping out shit in a bowl. Because when you shit in the bowl now, we can dash for the blood clot girl on TikTok, dash on them blood clot face. I shit in that bowl. Shit in a bowl. Soup bowl. Yes. Tap up the screen, guy. Tap up the screen, we're not shitting no more, we're not shitting no more blood. We're not shitting no more blood clot, we're shitting a bowl. You hear me I tell you? Shit in a bowl to blood clot. Tap up the screen. I beg to do not blood clot plate. It's shit in a bowl now. Shit in a bowl. Not blood clot plate, Shalam. And shit in a bowl. Shit in a bowl. Pink wall. When you hear Shalam got talk about shit in a plate. And I shit up now no blood clot plate now. I shit in a bowl. Because I want this shit up dash on the blood clot girl on TikTok. And that with this shit. Yes. Because no, every day you get up on the top, shit in a plate. Everybody shit in a plate, long blood clot time. It's not shit in a plate, it's just shit in a bowl. Soup bowl. When I put it in the soup bowl, you just dash upon the blood clot girl them here. Shit in a bowl. Shit in a blood clot bowl. Everybody run up and shit in a bowl now. Run out and broke on a blood clot. When I shit in a bowl to blood clot this man. Let me say shit in a bowl. Shit in a bowl, Shalam shit in a bowl, not shit in a blood clot plate no more on TikTok. I shit in a bowl. No shit in a plate again, shit in a bowl to blood clot. That's when they get them pussy on this, yes. Shit in a bowl to blood clot. Not shit in a bowl, not shit in a plate, shit in a bowl. Shit in a blood clot bowl. Shit in a bowl. Shit in a blood clot bowl. Yeah, shit in a bowl. Yeah, shit in a bowl. Not shit in a plate, shit in a bowl. Yes. Shit in a bowl from blood clot. Yes. Tap up the scream, the blood clot. Shit in a bowl. My favorite uncle. Because you can't make something. You can't beg some I beg a lunch money. Someone can't buy me a lunch today. I beg a lunch, but there, me desperate, me don't want, me can't talk no more, me feel bad. And I every day I talk about shit in a plate, shit in a blood clot plate, shit in a this, and shit in a blood clot plate, shit in a bowl now, shit in a bowl. Come on for the junk crow. Come on for this dead dog. Come on for this shit in a bowl, girl. Come on for this. Come on for blood clot this. Shit in a bowl. Brown, good morning. Nobody can help you. Alabella, come on for this now, girl. Come on for this now. Want that some shit on your blood clot? Come on for this. Who want me that some shit in the bowl from them? Can you join? No, Derrick. Can I join? No, Derrick. Me I beg some gift, you know. Me I beg some gift. Nobody can send some gift to me, Uncle Derrick. This dirty girl, come out for the junk, but I you me attack to sell pussy girl. Now me cut you first. Sell pussy girl. And me attack the dead dog. You walk and sell pussy. I want catch and dash some shit pan you in your hole. I dash me dash some shit pan your blood clot, so good girl. Come on for this so good. Come on for you. That rubbish pan. You don't know me at all. You don't know me at all. Come on for this. Come on for this so good. Come on for this so good. You brighten up blood clot. You good Good old Derrick. You are come off for this, but good old. Come off for this, you want some shit in your blood clot. Come off your blood clot. Come off your bumbo clot, your butt. Good old Derrick. Come off for this, just suck like a dog. Me am anything me am anything for him. Me am anything. Me am anything. So what you want? Me can't name nothing, you know. In dog shit, slime bucket, me can't name nothing. Dead dog, drunk crow bait, armed out, tail buckle, me can't name nothing, you know. Me started your pussy. Me started lick out your pussy. When me say me start lick out your pussy. Me start lick out your pussy and take my foot and kick in it. Me take my foot and kick in your hole. When me say me take the foot and me take my foot and kick in your hole. Yeah. Me take my foot and kick in your hole. Yeah. Come off of the junk. I take my foot and kick in your hole. Can you a long time I call you not a answer you answer me back at all. Whole part time. Me look like me you look like you must they look like you must say me you're tired of you man. And that me I say park business. Something wrong with sitting in the park? You're coming a different story again about DR. Me go a morning. My morning me a left. A morning me left and I do my body a morning. Yeah. Come on for this man. Come on for this. No, not here. Come on for this. Where you coming out? You coming out to me what people have rubbed me out for? Come on for this, man. Nobody know. To me, I think. What me say? So everything you hear people say, run with it. You need to stop running with people business. You come like people, have people peace. You run with certain things. You need to stop it. You come down. The problem. They comment them. Me think I just see that. I'm fine. Yeah, me I go tomorrow morning. I beg. Me I beg the fear. Me I beg to make up. Republic. Who can help me? Go fix my body.